Okay, guys, now we're going to look at slopes, but we're also looking at vertical and horizontal slopes. We're talking about slopes that are completely flat or slopes that are completely up like a wall. So in this case, look at this one. What is the slope of a line y equals -4? When they tell you y equals -4, guys, all you're saying is, look, I'm talking about the y. I'm talking about the y. So when my y is -4, that's where my whole line is going to cross through. You don't worry about the x because it didn't mention the x at all. So that's my slope, guys. I'm sorry, that's my line. So if you have, imagine you were a person here and you were walking, right? Well, slope is all about inclination, guys. Inclination. How steep inclination. How steep something is. So if I were to walk this line, is there any inclination? Actually, no, there isn't. It's a flat line. It's like walking on the ground. So since there is no inclination, you could say there's also no slope. So my slope is a slope of, if there's no slope, we call that 0. So my slope is 0 in this case. Now let's jump into what is called a vertical slope. Look at this one then. What is the slope of x equals -3? Now, did they give you a y? No, they didn't. So we're going to focus when my x is -3, just on the x. So I already drew it for you guys. It's actually a vertical line going through -3 because it's focusing on the x. Well, guys, imagine we're going hiking. Can I actually, if I'm walking, can I actually go up like this, just walking? Imagine we're just walking with nothing else. It's impossible. We cannot hike just like that. Gravity won't let you. So it's impossible. So in that case, it's not a slope of 0 because slope of 0 means it's a flat line. This is not a horizontal line, it's a vertical. Since it's impossible to walk on it without tools, of course, our slope in this case is called undefined. Undefined is just a math term for something that is impossible. In math, it also has its own symbol. We call it something like this. That means undefined. It cannot be done. And that's basically all you do. Vertical lines, it's an impossible slope. We call it undefined. Horizontal lines, it has a slope of 0 because there's no inclination. So it's just 0. You can walk through it on a straight path. And that's how you find the slope with horizontal and vertical lines.